Donkeys are domesticated members of the Equidae family, closely related to horses and zebras. Known for their sturdy build and resilience, donkeys have been indispensable to human society for thousands of years, primarily used as work animals in various cultures around the world. Donkeys have a stocky build, with strong limbs and short legs suited for carrying heavy loads and traveling long distances over rough terrain. Their ears are notably long, much longer than those of horses, which help them detect distant sounds and regulate their body temperature in hot climates. Donkeys can vary in size depending on the breed. The average donkey stands between 35 to 51 inches at the shoulder, with some larger breeds reaching up to 63 inches. Donkeys come in a variety of colors, including gray, brown, black, and white. Their mane and tail are typically shorter and more wiry compared to those of horses. Donkeys originated in the deserts of North Africa, where their ancestors, the African wild ass, roamed. Today, donkeys are found all over the world, especially in arid and semi-arid regions. They are well adapted to hot, dry environments where food and water are scarce, making them perfect for desert and mountainous areas. Wild donkeys, like the African wild ass and the Asiatic wild ass, still exist in small numbers, but most donkeys today are domesticated and live alongside humans. Donkeys are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, shrubs, and herbs. In their natural environments, they are able to thrive on low-quality forage and can survive on much less food compared to horses, making them more efficient in areas with limited resources. Donkeys have a slow and efficient digestive system that allows them to extract maximum nutrients from poor-quality plant matter. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the harsh environments they are native to. However, in domesticated settings, they are often fed hay, grain, and supplemental feed to maintain their health. Donkeys are often characterized as being stubborn, but this is a misconception. Their cautious behavior is a survival instinct that allows them to assess situations before acting, especially in unfamiliar or potentially dangerous environments. Donkeys are generally calm, gentle, and intelligent animals, with a strong sense of self-preservation. Unlike horses, which might panic and flee in dangerous situations, donkeys will often stand their ground and face threats, particularly when protecting their young or territory. They form strong bonds with humans and other animals and are known for their loyalty and affectionate nature when treated well. Donkeys are also very social animals. They prefer to live in groups, and in the wild, they form herds led by a dominant male, with females and younger donkeys making up the rest of the group. They communicate through braying, a loud, distinct sound that can be heard over long distances, as well as nuzzles, snorts, and body language. Throughout history, donkeys have been used as pack animals for carrying goods over long distances. Their strength and endurance make them ideal for transporting loads in areas where vehicles cannot go, such as mountainous terrain or narrow paths. Donkeys can carry up to 20 to 30% of their body weight, and they are often used in agriculture to plow fields, transport water, and assist with other farming tasks. In some parts of the world, donkeys are still a primary means of transportation for rural communities, particularly in Africa, Asia, and South America. Their ability to survive in harsh environments with minimal care makes them a vital resource for people living in areas with extreme weather conditions and limited infrastructure. Female donkeys, known as jennies, give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 11 to 14 months. Twins are extremely rare in donkeys. The newborn foal is usually able to stand and walk within a few hours of birth, and it nurses from its mother for the first few months of its life. Donkeys reach sexual maturity between 2 to 3 years of age. Their lifespan in captivity ranges from 25 to 30 years, though some can live even longer with proper care. Donkeys raised in good conditions tend to be healthy, though they are prone to certain conditions like hoof problems if not maintained properly. Donkeys have played an important role in human culture and history for millennia. They have been depicted in ancient Egyptian art, used in religious texts, and featured in folklore and literature. In many cultures, donkeys symbolize patience, humility, and hard work. Donkeys are still an essential part of rural economies in many developing countries, where their ability to perform heavy labor with minimal sustenance makes them invaluable. They are used to plow fields, transport goods, and even provide milk and meat in some areas. In addition to their practical uses, donkeys have become popular as companion animals in some regions. Their gentle and friendly nature makes them ideal pets for those with space to accommodate them, and they are often kept alongside horses or sheep to protect them from predators. While most domesticated donkeys are not at risk, some wild donkey species, such as the African wild ass, are listed as critically endangered due to habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these wild species from extinction. Donkeys are remarkable animals known for their strength, resilience, and intelligence. Their ability to survive in harsh environments and their long-standing relationship with humans have made them one of the most enduring and valuable domesticated animals in the world. Despite their reputation for stubbornness, donkeys are affectionate, loyal, and hard-working animals that continue to play an essential role in many societies worldwide.